You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Meet the Harpers, Sarah, James, and their two kids, Emma and Jake. They dreamed of a life filled with adventure, new culture, and better career opportunities. In 2024, they made the bold decision to move from Los Angeles to South Korea. The challenges that they faced were kind of hard. James did secure a teaching job at an international school, and Sarah landed a remote marketing job. They had to pack their 4-bedroom house and their beloved SUV. The paperwork was overwhelming, and the shipping process seemed daunting. But that's when someone told them to contact SDC International Shipping. They made the call at 877-339-0267. They had a personal consultation. A relocation expert walked them through every single step. Next came the packing and inventory. Our professional packers created a full, itemized inventory and protected their heirloom furniture. There was vehicle shipping. We arranged their SUV shipment, registered, insured, and custom cleared. Of course, there was insurance. We secured full marine insurance so they could move without any fear. And they chose door-to-door service. So our team packed in LA, transported across the Pacific, and delivered to their new apartment in South Korea. When their container arrived, it was like Christmas morning. All the familiar furniture, kids' toys, even their SUV was waiting for them. They settled into their new life with joy, not stress. Don't do it alone. Let professionals guide you. SDC can make your dream move not only possible, but easy. Are you ready to make your move to South Korea a reality? Request your free quote today, or speak directly to a relocation expert at 877-339-0267, because your next adventure deserves a smooth start.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.